Google just dropped a Gemini update that turns it into a robot that actually works for you. You give it a job, you walk away, and you come back to a finished report. It can think, build, and finish tasks completely on its own. So let me show you exactly what changed and why this one's actually a big deal. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So what actually happened? Google rolled out what's called the Interactions API, and it's live right now. I know that sounds like nerd talk, so let me make it simple. Before this, Gemini was like a smart helper. You had to talk to one message at a time. Every time you asked it something new, you had to remind it of everything you'd already said. It was like talking to a friend who forgets the conversation the second you stop talking. Annoying, slow, and a waste of your time. Now, Gemini remembers on Google's side automatically. Say you run a community and you want Gemini to write a week of welcome emails for new members. Before, you'd have to remind it every single time what your group is about, who it's for, what you'd already written. Now you just say keep going and it remembers the tone, the story, everything. That alone saves you hours. But it gets better, and this next one's the part that actually made me sit up. You can now give Gemini a job, and it goes off and does it without you sitting there watching it work. You start the task, you walk away, you go do something else, and you come back to it. Finished. Picture this. You tell it, go research the top 10 ways small businesses are using AI to save time this year. Then write me a full report I can share with my audience. Before, you'd sit there watching it think. Now you start it, you go make a coffee, you go do actual work. And when you come back, the report's just sitting there done. That's not a chatbot anymore. That's an employee. Think about what that actually frees up in your day. The stuff that used to demand your full attention while it's churned away in the background, you can now just kick off and forget about. You're not refreshing a tab waiting for it to finish. You're doing the parts of your business that actually need a human, while the boring research and writing happens completely on its own. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Google's also rolling out what they're calling managed agents. In plain English, it's a robot worker that lives inside Google's own systems. It can think, use tools, write code, run that code, and test it all inside a safe little sandbox on Google's end. Before, if you wanted something like this, you had to build the whole thing yourself, the logic, the safety checks, all of it. Most people couldn't pull that off. Now, Google just hands you the worker ready to go. Say you want a simple tool, maybe a calculator that shows people how much time they'd save using AI in their business. You ask the agent to build it, test it, and hand it back to you. Done. That used to take a developer days. Now it's one request. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And this next one is huge if you make any kind of content. Gemini's deep research agent just got upgraded too. You give it a goal, not just a question, an actual goal. It goes out, searches the web, reads through a ton of material, thinks about it, and brings you back a full report. Google says it now even builds charts and visuals to go along with it. So instead of asking one question and getting one answer, you could say something like, research what topics small business owners care about most when it comes to AI automation. Find the questions. They keep asking, then give me 10 content ideas that would help them, and it just does it. Hands you a full plan that used to eat up an entire afternoon. Now, it runs in the background while you're doing something else. Here's something that sounds small but is actually massive. Gemini can now use multiple tools at the same time in one single request. It can search the web, pull from maps, and use your own connected tools all together. Say you ask it to find the best local spots to host a meetup. It searches, checks the map, and hands you a full list with everything marked out in one shot. The tools can even send back images now, not just text. There's also a specific kind of connection here called MCP. Think of it like a USB plug for AI. It lets Gemini plug straight into other apps and services. And this part actually matters beyond just Google, because every major AI company is moving toward this same standard right now. It's quickly becoming the common way AI tools talk to each other. And last one, Google teased something called Gemini Omni coming soon. They haven't shown everything yet, so I'm not going to speculate too much. But here's what we know: it's built to work across text, images, sound, and video, all in one system. The idea is you give it one type of input and get a completely different one back. Words in, video out. A picture in, a story out. Imagine putting together a full promo video for your business just by typing out what you want. That's the direction this is heading. Here's why this update actually matters more than people realize. This isn't just a new feature dropped on top of the old Gemini. This is new ground to build on. And every time the ground shifts like this, completely new tools and businesses get built on top of it within months. The people who start experimenting with this stuff now, before it's mainstream, are the ones who end up building the things everyone else copies later. And that's really the pattern with every one of these updates. The first wave of people who actually go try it out, who give it a real job instead of just poking at it for 5 minutes, those are the ones who figure out the use cases before anyone else does. By the time it's all over your feed and everyone's talking about it, the advantage is already gone. So if you've got 5 minutes today, go open it up and give it an actual task, not just a question. That's the difference between watching this update happen and actually using it. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.